Hi, I just want to give you a few maintenance tips to keep your gun in good working order. Best thing to do is have a good look at it in the morning. If you do have the gun out of the housing, inspect your O-rings and inspect your two-prong plug. Have a quick look at your nozzle to make sure that your insulator isn't breaking down, because when that insulator breaks down, it'll be shot into the weld pool and have splatter. Have a look at your tip, make sure it's not oval or anything like that. You can also take your gas diffuser off and have a look at the end of the liner, and if you see that it's starting to go oblong, you might want to change the liner. And basically keep your gun nice and clean and have a look to make sure that there's no big gashes in it or places where they are gashed where the gas is escaping. And if you're not using it, hang it up. Don't let it sit on the ground where someone's going to drive over. But basically, just give it a quick once over, check the O-rings, check the nozzle, check your trigger circuit, and you're in MIG heaven.